Hi guys, today we are going to learn about how to take the screenshot in Selenium for a web page. Here we have created a scenario where just navigating to the e-commerce website, maximize the screen and take the screenshot. Using the WebDriver interface, we have created this driver object. So we will convert this WebDriver object to take screenshot. Your screenshot will be the object name here. Using this screenshot object, we will call the get screenshot as method to create the image file where this temporary image file will be saved it in this file format in the output type and store it in a source file. Then create a destination file where after creating this image file, we need to create a new file and pass the destination location by creating the selenium screenshot folder. Then just right click on this folder and take the path of this, copy this and paste here. Your name of the image should be there in png format, and it should be saved in the destination file. So pass the source file and destination file where using the copy file where the destination file will be saved here, and take the print the destination file path after capturing the screenshot successfully. Your screenshot we will be mainly taking for the bug analysis in the Selenium. We'll try to execute now. Yes, browser got open, website got opened. Yes, it got maximized. We'll check the console now. Yes, your screenshot captured successfully at location is showing here. We will check in the location under Selenium screenshot. Yes, your screenshot is captured and it is showing properly. Or later, you can go to Drive and check the path for the screenshot. Yes, it is saved here also. Thank you guys. Hope it is helpful.